Hi, everyone, and thank you all for joining us today on this Odin Automation Essentials product update. I'm Anna Hallen-Raimundo, Odin Automation Essentials Product Marketing Manager. And today, we have our presenters, Alex Goncharov and Andre Andreadis. Alex Goncharov serves as a Senior Product Manager for Odin Automation Essentials and has a proven track record of serving the IT industry for more than 25 years in a variety of key leadership roles across management, business, and technical development. Alex has held numerous senior positions for leading hosting and software companies and has played a key role in establishing the company's marketing, sales, and service strategies. Andre Andreadis is the Chief Software Architect and Program Manager for Odin Automation Essentials, working on various Plesk and Odin products for almost 10 years. In today's webcast, Alex will provide a functionality overview, including core capabilities and cloud services available within the product and migration path details. He'll also review licensing and pricing and roadmap details. Then he'll hand it over to Andre, who will provide a live demo of Odin Automation Essentials, as well as show you some of the upcoming features like shared hosting and VPS hosting. Now, let's begin with Alex. Alex, please go ahead.
Thank you very much. Before we talk about Odin Automation Essentials, let's talk about Ingram Micro Cloud. Ingram Micro Cloud is a global division of Ingram Micro. We are master cloud service provider and a software development company that powers the cloud ecosystem from small and local hosters to some of the world's largest telecommunications companies. Ingram Micro Cloud helps partners like you become rainmakers, the next generation of business pioneers, implementing the solutions of tomorrow. With its vast global infrastructure and focus on the cloud mobility, this recent acquisition of Odin and Andy, Ingram Micro has become an essential partner to both current and aspiring cloud solution providers, supplying the resources, insight, and service automation solutions they need to be successful, while preserving their relationship as trusted advisor to their end customers. Benefits of partnering with Ingram Micro include global reach with 21 countries on the marketplace, over 300 dedicated cloud sales associates, over 500 software engineers, serving over 250 telcos, hosters, service providers, and 33,000 resellers around the world, providing a large portfolio of over 90 cloud vendors. So now let's talk about Odin Automation Essentials. Today we will focus on one of the platforms Ingram Micro Cloud has to offer, Odin Automation Essentials. As you can see on this slide, it is self-hosted, self-managed platform. It is designed for small and medium service providers and one-tier CSP partners. And it supports one-tier CSP providers today, and in future it will also support CSP resellers as well. Odin Automation Essentials is comprehensive, downloadable cloud service automation solution that empowers cloud providers to efficiently provision, manage, and sell both cloud and hosting services through a single platform. With Odin Automation Essentials, partners like you can easily market, sell, and bundle Microsoft Office 365 and other CSP services with their existing products. Let's take a look at the key features of Odin Automation Essentials. As I mentioned, it is self-hosted and self-managed platform. Also, it provides outstanding user experience. It provides unified user interface, actually, to all the products and services you're going to sell. And I will talk about this in a second. It comes with pre-configured one-tier Microsoft CSP services, such as Office 365, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, Enterprise Mobility Suite. We will also support Azure very soon. It is a turnkey automation and billing solution, which provides full range of traditional hosting services, such as shared hosting and VPS hosting and domain registration. It comes with integrated e-commerce with customizable branding. It provides integrated billing and invoicing with multiple payment and domain registration plugins. It comes with powerful software development kit for system extensions, ability to offer custom services or integrate with external provisioning systems. And it can be deployed very rapidly. It just takes less than 5 hours to deploy and supports up to 30,000 accounts. Let's talk about core capabilities. So on this infrastructure diagram, you can see that we have core components. We have integrated billing, online store. We have different panels. We have panels for provider. We have panels for customers, panels for resellers. We have different syndicated and hosting services. We support Microsoft CSP services today. We are developing Azure service module. And we support domain registration today. And we are developing shared hosting service module, VPS hosting, and SSL certificates. Also, we have support for providers' own services, such as email migration. Let's talk about each component in more details. Core functionality. In core, we provide a centralized service management. And we provide all the tools that service provider needs to run their business successfully. We provide tools to manage service plans, accounts, users, and subscriptions. We provide tools to manage domain registration and DNS services. The product comes with integrated billing, and it provides end-to-end automation for all service model business and upsell scenarios. It comes with integrated online store, and you can sell one-time or recurring services. It comes with software development kit, so you can develop your own plugins if necessary. What is unique about Odin Automation Essentials? It's unified user interface. It is mobile-friendly, it's comprehensive and light, and it provides unified experience across all different devices, including mobile devices as well. With Odin Automation Essentials, you can easily deploy and start selling Microsoft Cloud Solution Provider services and bundle them with your own managed services. We support Office 365, Dynamics CRM, and Enterprise Mobility Suite. And we're also working on Azure services, support for Windows 10 Enterprise. And we also will support reselling of these services to Ingram Micro next year. So right now, CSP service module supports one-tier CSP partners only. But next year, we will also going to support reselling of the services through Ingram Micro. Odin Automation Essentials supports selling of your own services. So, for example, you can create your own services such as email migration or different professional services like system administration. So those services that you do not need to provision. But also, you can use these services to integrate with external provisioning systems and provision these services using external systems. We have different events like start service, stop service, collect usage, etc. And you can write PHP scripts to integrate such services with external provisioning systems. And this would allow you to sell things like dedicated servers or co-location, internet services, etc. You can also collect usage from external system and show this usage in the control panel. And you can also bill for this usage using integrated billing system. Odin Automation Essentials comes with the most popular domain registration and payment plugins. But that's not all. We also provide software development kits so you can develop these plugins by yourself. For example, if you go into another market and you see a need to develop a new domain registration or payment plugin, you can easily do so. You can do it by yourself if you have PHP programmers, or you can actually outsource it and hire a subcontractor to write this plugin for you. We also have partners, and we can recommend you partners who can help you to develop plugins. Next year, in second quarter, we're going to support SSL certificates. And we support the most popular vendors on the market, such as you can see on the screen, Symantec, GeoTrust, Comodo, etc., through the following vendors, Enome, OpenSRS, and the SSL Store. We clearly understand that success of our customers depends on their ability to upsell SMB customers with relevant services. And a good example of such services is shared hosting and VPS hosting. Shared hosting module, which we are developing right now, is powered by the latest version of Flask Panel. So it will be able to work with Flask Panel 12.5 or with Flask Onyx. And using shared hosting service module, you will be able to offer web and email shared hosting services on Windows and Linux. You can also offer WordPress hosting plans as well. And using VPS hosting service module, which is powered by latest Virtuoso 7, you will be able to offer containers and virtual machines. You can sell VPS services with or without Flask Panel. And these service modules will be available in the first quarter next year. Migration tools. So we are developing Migration Manager, and this Migration Manager will be released in the first quarter next year. And it will initially support a migration from Odin Business Automation Standard. And then we are planning to add support for Flask Automation in the second quarter next year. On this slide, you can see countries we support today. And in addition to these countries, we're also going to add support for New Zealand and Singapore. Today, we support 6 languages: English, Dutch, French, German, Italian, and Spanish. But we're also going to develop language packs for Brazil, Portuguese, and Japan. In long-distance future, we're going to develop tools which will allow you to create language packs by yourself. So let's talk about licensing and pricing. Odin Automation Essentials is available to Ingram Micro resellers. So this is important to understand. You need to become Ingram Micro Cloud reseller first in order to buy this product. So once you sign up, you can purchase Odin Automation Essentials from our sales representatives. And there is a setup fee, $1,499, and there is platform fee. And platform fee, we have revenue share component, which is in between 3 to 5%, depending on your monthly revenue. And there's a minimum commitment, $999. So you pay whichever is higher. So you either pay $999 or you pay 5% revenue share, whichever is higher. Setup fee covers first 10 support incidents. So you can get this 10 support incidents for free. And after that, you pay only $149 per support incident. And right now, we have a special promotion. We do not charge revenue share during the first 12 months. So you only pay minimum commitment. So let me present you current roadmap. So in our roadmap, we have 3 product releases next year. We have product release in March. It is called Black Eagle. And in the Black Eagle, we will release hosting modules, shared hosting and VPS hosting, and Microsoft Azure. In March release, we will also support migration for Odin Business Automation Standard. So if you're using OBUS today, so you need to plan your migration right after March release. So as soon as we release Black Eagle, you can start migrating from OBUS to Odin Automation Essentials. Next release is in June. And in June, we will support white label resellers as a self-certificates, and we will also add REST API. And we will provide migration tools for Flask automation. So if you're using Flask automation, or if you're using Odin Business Automation Standard and you need resellers, then the June release is the right release for you to start your migration. And then in December, we will have another release. It's called Bold Eagle. And in that release, we will support ability to resell services through Ingram Micro using federated marketplace. It's a new project which will enable you to resell different services using Odin Automation Essentials. At the same time, we will also add support for APS Lite, which will allow you to extend product functionality using APS Lite packages. So let me give you a few words about legacy products. So Flask automation. Flask automation will enter an extended support starting on January 1st, 2017. And this status will last for 12 months. And during this time, Ingram Micro Cloud will no longer release regular product updates or bug fixes. But we will still support critical issues. So we will support critical issues and we will release patches for such critical security issues if necessary. Extended phase support will be provided during 2017. And if you need any support during this time frame, you will be able to receive it from our support services. And please know that there is a charge of $149 per support incidents. After the end of extended support period on January 1st, 2018, the product will undergo end of life. And at this time, the product will no longer undergo further development, and we will no longer accept technical support requests. So what is the next step? As I explained, that we are developing Odin Automation Essentials. And of course, if you're using Flask automation, you will need hosting modules to migrate to Odin Automation Essentials. And these hosting modules will be released in the second quarter, 2017. I need to note that Odin Automation Essentials is not a replacement product for Flask automation. However, it provides similar capabilities. It provides domain registration, shared hosting on Linux and Windows, VPS hosting, and more. So we encourage you to migrate to this new automation platform. So as soon as we release hosting modules in the second quarter, you can start migrating manually. But if you need migration tools, you can wait until June. And in June, we are planning to release migration tools, which you can use to migrate to Odin Automation Essentials. So if you're using hSphere, the hSphere will go into the extended support on the 1st of January 2017, and will go to extended paid support for 12 months, and we will set end of life on the 1st of January 2018. And we develop Odin Automation Essentials and hosting modules, which will be released in Q2. And definitely, if you're using hSphere, you need hosting modules to migrate. And once we release hosting modules in Q2, you can start manual migration to Odin Automation Essentials. During this time frame, during 2017, paid support will be provided. And please note that there is $149 per support incident charge. So now we would like to show you a live demo of the service modules in Odin Automation Essentials.